Crate and Barrel. And I figured I would take y'all with me, but I have to do my face routine. So as you would have seen in the vlog prior to this one, we went to the tree lighting ceremony in DC and had a fabulous time. If you haven't saw that video, I will link it below. It was a good time. Like, I had never gone to a tree lighting before, so this was really exciting. I was like, oh snap. The Christmas market wasn't my jam. I'm using the used to the people. Wasn't my jam. It was, I think when you have gone to a European Christmas market here in DC, it just didn't compare. I was like, where's all the like chocolate stations and things like that? Like, if you follow me for a while, you've seen some of the Christmas markets that we got to go to when we lived in Germany, and they were just top tier. So with that being my experience, it was just kind of difficult to be at one that didn't offer as much fanfare as the Christmas market that I had gone to before. But I just was sad. So I am going to go to Crate and Barrel just to kind of see what they have as far as like Christmas decorations. I don't need to buy anything. I just kind of want to browse or whatever. And so I thought that'd be fun, and I would take y'all with me. So I use my toner, which if you follow me, you know already what that one is. And I am now going to go in with my Derma E Acne vitamin C. So it's both for my blemishes to help keep my acne at bay, and it also has tea tree oil, and it has aloe vera, and it helps reduce acne, blackheads, and breakouts. And then we're gonna put a little bit of vitamin C on our face. And screw the top back on that. And we're going to moisturize with the Cocoa Kind that I bought yesterday. I used it last night instead of my usual night cream, just to see how my face felt, like if it gave it a reaction, or if I felt like I needed to take it off. I was at home. I wasn't like I'm now. Like now I'm putting it on my face. I'm getting ready to head out. So last night was like that tester to see how it reacted with my skin. It feels lovely. Like it's nice and creamy and thick, which is what I super duper love. And I am going to go in with my sunscreen, and I am going to put a little bit of this Even Skin serum in with this. I don't know when I decided to mix serums in with either my skincare, my or my moisturizer, but sometimes I will put a little bit of a serum inside of one or the other. I didn't want to mix anything in with this because it was so new. This I know I love. So that is that. I am going to floss and brush my teeth, and then we are going to head to Crate and Barrel. Forgot. First of all, y'all, it's raining real good out here. Well, not raining, it's misting, and so yeah. But I decided I was gonna come out and do a little walk. I am going to do my little walk, but I do have on my waterproof North Face coat because I don't know, without this one I think it would have been kind of crazy. But I'm gonna flip the camera around so you guys can see how pretty the leaves are. It is cold and rainy, but it does not stop the people from being out in the rain, walking. And I guess I'm no different because I'm out here in the rain walking too. I'm gonna head over here to this Whole Foods and get me a nice beverage. And then we get home, we'll unbox what I got from Crate and Barrel. It's in a little linen bag because it's raining and I didn't want them to give me a paper bag and it get messed up before I even got the thing home. So yeah, that's what we're doing. The rain is serious us out there, but I made it back from my outing. Hang up my coat. Okay, y'all, I got something super special. I went to Crate and Barrel, as you would have seen, and I bought two things. This is my new Christmas mug. So I wanted a Christmas mug. I wanted a mug. Y'all are crooked. I wanted a mug for the holidays, but nothing like that had like a bunch of designs on it. So I got this. It is a all white. It is a Crate and Barrel Mercer Snowflake mug. It is dishwasher safe, microwavable safe, and it can be heated up to 350 degrees. And it's just white, and it just has a snowflake on it. And so I'm excited to drink my coffee out of that. And this is what I actually went up there for. Well, let me end my little walk. Okay. I went up there to get this guy. How cute is this? They have one with a wreath, and they have one with a candy cane. But the lady checked the system, and this is the last one in the freaking Crate and Barrel here in Arlington. So I looked out and got the last one, which made me so happy. So that was that. And I stopped at Whole Foods on my way because I just did. I got another one of these vanilla cakes. They are delicious, and it's something about having a sweet treat in the house during this time of the year. I got some Honeycrisp apples for lunch next week because every lunch needs a fruit. And this Poppy Cranberry Fizz, I heard that this was really good, so I decided to give it a try. So I am going to get some ice, and we're gonna drink some in our new Christmas cup. How exciting! Okay, let's do that. And that's all I got from my little outing. And yeah, this we'll use in the morning. I'm so excited. Okay.